Hello everyone, welcome back to Mexmew. I'm Mex, and today I'm going to share a vital privacy tip for all Samsung users. How to lock or pin your apps without using any third-party tools from the Play Store. Step 1. Go to your phone's settings. Then, scroll down and select Security and Privacy. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Other Security Settings. In this menu, you'll find a feature called Allow Apps to be Pinned. Make sure this feature is toggled on. Here is a pro tip from me. Tap on the Pin Windows text itself and enable the option Lock Phone after unpinning. This ensures that no one can exit the locked app and access your data without your permission. Now, let's test it. Suppose you're lending your phone to someone to watch YouTube. Open the YouTube app, then press the Recent Apps button. That's the three-line icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the YouTube logo at the top, then simply select the option, Pin this app. Now, the YouTube app is officially locked on the screen. The user won't be able to open your gallery, read your chats, or access any other applications. To unlock it, it's very simple. If you use gesture navigation, just swipe up and hold. Or if you use navigation buttons, press the back and recent apps button simultaneously. Because we enabled the extra security earlier, the phone will immediately ask for your fingerprint or PIN before the app is released. Your privacy is now much more secure. I hope this tutorial from Mexmew was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. I'm Mex, and I'll see you in the next one.